Today I'll present to you meditation in nature. Grab a rock nearby and place it in front of you. Make a call to the divine to protect you during this practice. And get into a comfortable position as much as you can with sitting on the ground or on a stump, wherever you may be. And gently begin to close your eyes and set attention for your practice. For this practice here, I am intending to invite peace. You can begin to make a few deep breaths in and out to help get you settled in the mind and the heart. Breathing in and out as deep as you may need for your practice. Feeling the wind come over your shoulders. If there are distractions close by, know that life is always going to move around you. Feel free to open up your senses to a far distance to help remove the distractions that are closer. With each exhale, you may notice your breath start to lengthen. Each exhale becomes deeper and slower. Your muscles begin to relax and the tension melts away. After a couple minutes in, and I've learned to ignore the ant that's crawling around on my knee and doing everything I can to not itch that spot. I give my thanks. I give the gratitude to everything that's around me. The smell of nature, the sun on my face, but also give gratitude to those close to me and those that may be a little far away. I give gratitude to myself for showing up in my practice, no matter what challenges maybe prevented me from coming to the spot, I still made it. I give gratitude to myself for everything I've done in the week, no matter how difficult it may have been or have felt at the time. I breathe in the love of Mother Earth connecting to me in this exact moment. I breathe in the beauty and the life that surrounds me, and protects me, and will eventually guide me when I'm done this practice. I give gratitude to my spirits and angels that guide me every day and ultimately bringing me towards my highest self. And I give so much love to those I love, to my family, my friends, those who support me, challenge me. When I am giving my gratitudes, I'm breathing deeply into my heart and then feeling the blood flow around my body, circulating it with love and compassion, grace. And as I keep building that up with each breath coming from my heart and around, I feel the vibration of love start to extend from me. And when I feel that extension just reaching out to the nature that surrounds me, the people who are closest to me, the animals and insects around me, I imagine this white light hitting the top of my head, allowing me to extend this emotion out to the land that I'm on and beyond. And from there, I connect with peace because I am connecting with the nature and community around me. I connect with my friends and family and the love that's built within me. And I connect with myself to my heart and bringing the energy from the divine to help spread this emotion outwards. I could feel peace spread like the ocean. And I just sit with that. I feel this strong wave of energy that flows within me when I connect in nature. Perhaps for you, it could be the same. Or maybe it's a memory or a quote or a sensation. Whatever ignites that for you, just hold it in your heart for a moment. Breathe into it. And with each breath, just feel the extension of love within you. And as you keep practicing this, you may find that your love can overcome the distractions around you. And not even something like rain can pull you out of a meditation that centers you, that brings peace to you, that brings love to everything around you. Not the uncomfortable rock that you chose to sit on and thought maybe there was a better rock. Or the pine needles. It's jabbing right into the sides of your feet. Because the sensation of peace is what you came here for. Your intention, maybe. And how beautiful is that? Upon conclusion of your meditation, don't forget to pick up your rock. And if you forgot your rock after your meditation, that's okay. I've done it plenty of times. It's just going back to nature. And I invite you to check out my other videos. Just get to see more of this guy. Oh, aren't you so cute?